It's a video. Or back.
You're by yourself.
Hipster.
That's more like Jay-Z.
Illuminati.
Jay-Z's hipster.
Jay-Z's hipster. I made coffee because I'm barista.
And I'm co-barista.
And earlier we got mad because we were setting up our spy tent and the campfire wouldn't work.
I was like, campfire. And it didn't work.
Yeah.
Hate when that happens.
It was so frustrating.
What else did he do? How's like co-barista again?
Oh, because you put sago in.
She had coffee and it was too hot, so I put sago in it and it cooled it down and it had an interesting taste. Therefore, I am co-barista. Thank you. Thank you very much.
That wasn't even. I don't even know what that was.
Hello. Hello. Hello there.
There's someone behind you.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh wait, you can't even. Oh my god. Okay. Pamp out.
Oh, and we shaved legs today, or backs.
Armenian.